Hello, Chef. Back from the mountain. I've got this awesome container of wild mushrooms. As you remember, while I was gathering them, these are the woodier. Oh, they're looking good. First thing I like to do is clean them off. I've got a solution of water and water. Stainless steel mixing bowl. They all go in there, every last one of them. And I just give them a little toss like this. Just want to remove any of the nature's little gifts that could be on there. You never know. Critters and things like that. Then I'm going to move into the preparation. Okay. You can see a little bit of dirt in that water. I'll be back. Okay, you can see a few of these. By the way, I've cleaned these in cold water about 4 or 5 times to remove all the dirt and anything wild off there. Alright, so now each one of these mushrooms, I want to line them up and do a nice clean cut just to make sure I've removed all of the tough spots, woody spots right here. This is connected to the tree. This is very hard right here. We want to remove that. So I'm going to repeat, get them all cleaned up like this, and then I'll be right back to show you my next step. Oh yeah, it's going to be good. A gift from nature right there. Chicken stock is simmering. If you need the recipe, hit that little information tab up there and you'll find an awesome chicken stock and some other recipes from the chefs. Subscribe right there. I'll be right back. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Next step with the woodier mushroom. I'm going to prepare some of these and I'm going to reserve some of them for garnish. I like to pick the best ones for garnish. The ones that really look nice, that have beautiful color and shape. So right there, this is my garnish. Put those aside right there. Oh yeah, it's going to be good. Okay, the rest of these are going to get a fine julienne, and I'll show you how to do that. What you want to do is stack them up, just like this. And when you have a nice stack, give them a nice julienne like this. Pretty fine cut is good. Yeah, they're hard to cut. Just like that. Oh yeah. Be back for the next step. Okay, all the mushrooms have been cut now. And next step, I've got a very hot wok with 1 cup of simmering water, and what I like to do is put the woodier mushrooms in all at once. Oh, nice sizzle there. Got a nice sizzle going on. Missed one. Okay, and I want to just bring this to a boil for about 1 minute to kill any germs or bacteria that might be on the mushrooms. Okay, the mushrooms have been drained and they're cooled off. Next step, we start the soup. For the soup, we're going to need 3 cloves of garlic, and we're just going to give them a little slice like this. A rough chop is fine. It's going to cook down real quick. Sweet onion. I'm just looking for less than half of the sweet onion like this right here. We're going to go with a small dice. This knife does a great job. Okay. Time to start this again. I got a hot wok, a little bit of olive oil, garlic, onion, let it cook. Oh yeah, at this point we're ready for the chicken stock. I'll be putting about 2 cups of stock right into here. At this point I'm going to put all of my wood ear mushrooms, except the garnish. Surprise twist, I decided to add some cremini mushrooms. I'm going to have 2 mushrooms in this soup. These are going to be sliced and sauteed. Oh yeah, looking really good. At this point I'm going to be combining my wood ear as well as the broth. Oh yeah. Plating up the finished soup. Wood ear mushroom soup, wild from the forest, with a touch of cremini. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. And I decided to do a little garnish here with the extra wood ear. All I want to do is just have a couple small pieces, just so it's identifiable on the top, just like this. Okay, that's the video. Smash that like button. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these awesome tools, butcher blocks, knives, hit up the sponsor. Oh yeah, the soup is gonna be good. Wow, look at that clump of wood ear mushrooms. It's continuing around the bottom of this tree branch. When I select each mushroom, I carefully remove the bottom portion like this. This is what I'm after, the top delicate part right here. extract, I want to show you these awesome vanilla beans. Sponsor's label right here, Chef Depot label. You want to use these together, or your own homemade with the beans. Yeah, use these together in any recipe, and wow, it's going to really kick. You're going to improve it greatly. In case you're wondering, I've been smoking this over hardwood coals and cherry for quite a while. Leave a comment, like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah. Other videos. If you want to learn more about garlic, it's real simple. Subscribe right down here. Put garlic in the little search engine and you're going to find all kinds of things. Garlic facts, garlic nutrition, garlic recipes, how to roast garlic, how to chop garlic, how to mince garlic, how to dice garlic, all kinds of cool stuff. I love it, and I eat a lot. Magical mystery oil. Just a little bit like this. Plastic bag, recyclable. Swirling motion. Good. Check out the huge selection at your sponsor. Edge grain, end grain, maple, cherry, walnut, big blocks, small blocks, countertops, island tops, cutting boards, and many other wood products and applications. Thanks for watching. Oh, so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Chef here. I wanted to talk to you today just real quickly about knife selection as well as knife maintenance. By the way, this set's about 10 years old. Looks brand new. These knives function perfectly. Well maintained, well sharpened. I take care of them. Subscribe on this channel and learn a lot more about knives and knife sets. And with that, get cooking. Have a great day. Oh yeah, got some fresh basil here. It's looking really nice. Look at that color. Oh, a side note. Chef's Butcher Block is a built-in unit. This is about 30 by 25, 4 inches thick, end grain rock maple. And get cooking again. It's awesome. If you need any of these, check out your sponsor. They've got every size and shape, custom, everything imaginable in Butcher Block. Not just these big ones, but smaller cutting boards as well. Quite often, we're using these boards throughout food service, catering, parties. This one here is edge grain. It's also been cut on for about 10 years. And these come in a whole bunch of different sizes. Really nice. Get the good stuff the first time. These are made in America. You get a 1-year warranty. It's the best you can buy. Get the good stuff the first time. Forget all the garbage, the cheap stuff the mass merchants are trying to push on you. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good.